Here's why I think Beat Studio Buds is worth buying. Sup guys, here we are in a new video. On this video we are going to discuss if Beat Studio Buds is worth buying or not. This is a good wireless earbuds everyone wants to purchase. So before getting this, we need to know, is this worth buying? At first, let's talk about the design. The whole body for the charging case have an amazing matte finish. It's small enough to fit in every pocket, and it's not heavy at all. And the earbuds themselves have a glassy finish on each pair of the bottom side. And this wireless earbuds uses USB-C and also have a good battery life. Inside the charging case is neat and the finishing is amazing. These have buttons on each pair so you can play, pause or change the next song. This is the most interesting part. These have activeness cancelling and transparency mode, but this doesn't have spatial audio, and that's kind of a big deal. Even though this doesn't have spatial audio, this is the best sounding earbuds I've ever used. It have amazing deep bass. This is a very rich audio. This doesn't have spatial audio, but while listening to some songs, it feels a little like you're on spatial audio. This comes in several colors, red, black and white, and then they introduce more colors, blue, graphite and purple. When it comes to fit, these have a great fit, but not perfect. Because I've made some research and a lot of people used to complain about the fit. But to me, this is kind of good. This isn't the best fit, but it's good. You also have different sizes of ear tips in the box, so that will help you get a proper fit. So you should try all the ear tips to see which one is best for your ears. Deal breaker. This doesn't have skin detecting optical sensor. With the help of these sensors, whenever you remove the earphone or earbud from your ears, the music stops playing to save your battery life. But this doesn't have the skin detecting optical sensor. The BeatFits Pro have and the PowerBeats Pro 2 have. So honestly, this is a deal breaker. So with all these features, this costs $149 from Apple. You can also check one of these on Amazon. I will leave a link for that in the description of the video. But before purchasing it, I'll advise you to watch the full review so that you can see when opening the box what it comes with and so on. I've made a full unboxing video on the channel and I've talked more about the Beat Studio Buds if you want to check out. So the video is still there. Now, why is this worth it? At first, I think it's because of the good design and additional colors, best sounding earbuds of the year for sure, activeness cancelling, transparency mode, and then great or good fit, not perfect fit, decent battery life, and a good set of the charging case with the matte finish on it. I think that's much of it, and to me it's worth buying, but I don't know to you. But if you want a wireless earbuds that sounds amazing, this is the perfect option for you. This is the best sounding wireless earbuds I've ever used. So if you want to check out, don't forget the link is in the description of the video. Either way, that's much of it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.